Your car came with a clutch fan.
It's been like a month since I've made a video, probably not that long, but today we're over at Will's. I just got the E36 cleaned up. I'm standing on a snowbank. I finally popped the over fenders off. I want to try to fix these little rust spots, but not right now. Pop the over fenders off, clean the wheels, over fenders, under the over fenders. As you can see, it's very necessary. All that sand is literally from that pocket in there. Will's got the 240 cleaned up, and I think today we're gonna fix my exhaust leak, finally. And then after we fix the exhaust leak, I think we're gonna go out drifting, because I brought drift spares and my car's finally dialed enough to where I can drive it. For now, I just want to intro the vlog. We'll pick you guys up in a little bit. Alright guys, so we've made a breakthrough with the E36, but before we get to that, we have the over fenders back on, the car's all clean. Best I've ever had it looking. And I don't know if you heard in the background, but we finally got the radio working, which is sick.
Copyright music.
Non-copyright music.
It'd be like Beethoven.
Just tossed it up on the jack again and tighten the axle nuts. So these are all set. The radio's working. Everything else is good.
Slam your things around.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna probably switch to GoPro now. Alright boys, we're on the GoPro. Car's on the ground. We're about to head out. Will's grabbing his camera stuff. E36, looking sick. Just hate the rake with the massive sidewall in the back. But we're gonna get that fixed soon. Meow.
Do you want me to stand like over here or in the middle?
Kind of in the middle would be sick.
Okay. Okay. He said you came in fucking hot.
I want to get more speed.
Go one more time and then I'll go.
Yeah, I'm gonna try a slower one.
Okay.
More controlled. I whacked my wipers too.
Where's he coming from?
The dealership across the street.
There's also a guy right there who just looked in.
Can you keep going or leave?
What do you think? How pissed on a scale of 1 to 10?
He was like standing there like this in front of one of the cars.
Did you see him walking over here?
Didn't quite look like it.
I'm gonna go check just in case. Going on a secret mission. I don't see anyone. I don't see anyone.
You crazy sons of guns.
What's up?
Are we in trouble or
No,
what?
I don't give a f.
Oh, okay.
She rolls through about 6 o'clock.
6?
So fair warning.
Alright,
Alright.
thank you.
They're told to throw anyone out of here.
Okay.
So I don't want any fucking hard.
I saw somebody standing over there and I was like, I don't know.
Yeah, no. So like my big boss isn't around, but if he was around, they'd be like, get the f out of here.
Yeah.
Just because of whatever.
Yeah,
Yeah, absolutely.
that's fair.
I don't give a shit what you do as long as you guys know.
Fuck yeah.
Okay.
I appreciate
Sweet. Thank you.
it.
What a guy, dude. Let's go. That was fucking sick! He's still going! That was fucking awesome. Oh, I think his tires are gone.
Right, left, come around, end it.
Okay.
All Alright guys, this is probably the last one for today. My tires are corded but not delaminated, so that means more donuts. Alright, here goes nothing. Yup, she's delaminated now. Jesus.
Those tires sound gone.
Yeah. So is my fucking coolant temp, but...
Oh yeah, they're pretty bad.
So we got the tires back on and all good. Will's finger's bleeding, so he's crying. These tires are... These tires are fine. I'm gonna run them for another like 3 or 4 months, like Will said. And yeah. We're gonna head to the parking garage. There's supposed to be a little car meet thing going on, so we'll pick you up there. Oh yeah, we don't know if it's actually a car meet. This is all based off a TikTok comment, so we'll see. Oh God!
Sorry, I just broke your $3,000.
No, that was kind of me, but yeah.
Said in the past, like 5 videos.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, hold on. Let's
Let me just... little expose. Yeah.
Here, let's look at the front of the frame rails.
No, dude.
It's weight reduced, okay?
Yeah, I can tell.
Oh, see this? This is a BMW. Stands for Big Meaty Wang.
We're at the sick meet here. You know, tons of Mark IVs and a Honda Civic.
Hey, you can't even talk shit. You've owned like 5.
Yeah, but what? I've been grown. My bills are paid. If you want to see a full car review of every car here, go look at Will's video because it's gonna be a lengthy clip.
Long ass fucking clip.
Ow! I just wanted to show this thing though. Pulled up beside the E36. It's a like 2000s, I'd say, Thunderbird, something like that.
Yeah, something old.
And I kind of, not gonna lie, thought it was an LS until I saw the MMR sticker. And yeah, it's Coyote Swap Thunderbird. This thing's fucking...
Looks slow.
Yeah?
Yeah, dude.
Sure.
I'll give you some.
Yeah, we already...
Right through
This is
like,
the best part, bro.
oh, okay,
Oh,
we
boy.
We missed something. Hang on.
Oh! No, we're taking it back from a 7 to a 4, dude.
it goes
No,
down.
get out of here.
Dude. We got one more tire out here. This thing goes crackle, pop, pop. Goes down. Instantly gets a steer down.
Alrighty, folks, I'm gonna pick this video up later. We just got back from the meet and realized I didn't make an outro and about to edit this up. Hope you guys enjoyed whatever this video was. It wasn't really anything specific, but yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.